Honorable Speaker, sir. So this issue is regarding the regularization of the land, ceiling land, which is being holded by the third party, sir. So recently, Government of Andhra Pradesh have issued a GO, sir, GOMS number 747, sir, issuing orders of regularizing this, sir, and an amount was fixed for the possession holders or the third party holders to make that land a legal. For that, sir, before this GO was issued, sir, and another GO was issued, sir, way back in year 2002, sir. GOMS number 455, sir. Sir, dated 29/7/2002, sir. So policy guidelines for the issue of allotment of excess government lands which are already under occupation of third party have been issued. Sir, in this GO the rates have been fixed, indicating, sir, the time period of the document, that is 1976 to 1986, sir, 1986 to 1991, then again from 1991 to 1996, and 1996 to 2002, 2000 to 2003, sir. Sir, I just want to give one small example, sir. Sir, way back when this GO was issued, sir, the rate fixed for PS Makta, sir, I'm just giving one example, sir, and the rate fixed for ward number 1 of Old City, sir. Sir, it was, if a possession holder has a document from 1976 to 86, sir, the per square meter rate was fixed for 300 square meter area, so about 225, sir. And anybody holding a document from 1986 to 91, the rate fixed was 450, so it was doubled. A document which has been there with them from 1991 to 96, the rate was 6,900. Then a document with the year from 1996 to 2000, 1,800 was fixed, sir. And again, if any document of year 2000 and 2003, sir, the rate which was fixed for 2,250, sir. Sir, but now, the GO which has been issued, MS number 747, dated 18/6/2008, sir. Sir, another set of guidelines have been issued in this GO, sir. The time span has been deleted, sir. Not only deleted, sir, and the rates are given depending on the extent of area, sir. Like, it is not made clear in this GO whether these guidelines are supersessions of the earlier GO or whether in continuation of that GO, sir. It has not been mentioned, sir. Sir, now the question is that, sir, this house would be really surprised and shocked, sir. The same locality which had, sir, 90 rupees, sir, in the year 1976 to 86, or in the year 2003, sir, the same locality rate which was fixed for 2,250, sir. Now, the same rate with the new issues of GO, sir, Makta Madar, sir, which was 2,250, sir. Now the government has given a GO asking them to pay 15,400 rupees, sir. That means 15,400 rupees for anybody holding below 300 square meters. Per square meter rate has been fixed for 15,400, sir. Sir, is this realistic, sir? Sir, Banjara Hill rate, sir. Banjara Hills road number 12 rate is 12,650. Makta Madar rate is 15,400. Old City rate is, sir, 12,650, sir. Sir, Old City rate is 12,650. Lesser than Banjara Hill, sir. Makta Madar is a slum. Old City is a slum, sir. Now, this is not only for the city I am talking, sir. For an entire state, sir, Vijayawada also, Vishakhapatnam, Guntur, if I give all the details, sir, this house will be surprised. Yes. Sir, this is not the realistic rate, sir. Sir, an innocent person has purchased the land. उन्हें तालीम याफ्ता नहीं था, साहब, पढ़ा लिखा नहीं था. एक गरीब आदमी जमीन बिक रही थी, घर खरीद लिया, साहब, जमीन खरीद लिया, जिंदगी भर की पूंजी से घर बना लिया. He's constructed a house, sir, not knowing that who is the owner of the land, sir. 40 साल पहले बना लिया, साहब. आज उसको आप इतना बड़ा रेट रखे तो कैसा होगा, साहब? मैं गवर्नमेंट से रिक्वेस्ट करना चाह रहा हूं, सर. ये श्री कृष्णा नगर वेलफेयर एसोसिएशन, सर, ये खैरताबाद में है, साहब. 10 एकर्स पे लैंड है, सर. इनके लैंड के बाजू, सर, कापरा म्युनिसिपालिटी और दूसरा म्युनिसिपालिटी आता, सर. वहां पे रेट क्या है, सर? 850, सर. वहां पे श्रीलंगप्पल्ली म्युनिसिपालिटी 2000 सर।
ओवैसी साहब, आप चाह रहे हैं कि रेट्स कम हो?
सर मैं आपसे लास्ट में फाइनली यही रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा सर, सर इन दिस रेगुलराइजेशन स्कीम सर, पीपल आर नॉट कमिंग फॉरवर्ड सर, because the rates are very much sir. I request the government to please call for a meeting of a city MLAs or legislators or all the political parties floor leaders, take their opinion into consideration, be realistic sir, fix some rates for slums and other posh localities, fix some other rates sir, so that revenue can pour into the government and as well as a common man could be benefited.
Yes.
Sir, the aim behind this issuance of GO is very healthy sir. Government wants to regularize the unauthorized possession holders sir. It's a very nice thing sir, but people are not coming forward because the rates are unrealistic sir. I request a meeting to be called for and think over so that revenue could come.
Yes, Minister.
And innocent people can regularize their properties also sir.
Yes, नायक साहब, आप कुछ ఏమని చెప్తారు?
గౌరవ సభ్యులు ఓవైసీ గారు చెప్పిన విషయం నోట్ చేసుకున్నాం. అది మున్సిపల్ మినిస్టర్ గారి యొక్క విషయం, కానీ రెవెన్యూ మినిస్టర్ గారి దృష్టికి తీసుకొస్తాం అధ్యక్ష. ఎక్కువ రేటుకి ఇస్తేనో ఎక్కువ రేట్ అంటారు, ఒకవేళ తక్కువ రేటుకి ఇస్తేనో ఇందులో ఏదో మతలబు ఉంటుంటారు. ఇది సహజమైన విషయం. చెప్పే మీరు మీకు ఎటు వీలుంటే అటు మాట్లాడతారు, కానీ మేము పరిశీలిస్తాం అధ్యక్ష.
రైట్.